Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Vela Visutara with NPM 2441214 from class 24A. Today I would like to present about audit planning. In this presentation, I will explain the definition of audit planning, the objective, the importance, the step involved, and also the factor that influence the audit planning process. First, let me explain the definition of audit planning. Audit planning is the initial stage in the auditing process, where the auditor decides the overall strategy for conducting the audit. At this stage, the auditor determines the scope of the audit procedures that will be used, and how the audit work will be carried out. The purpose of this planning stage is to ensure that the audit can be conducted effectively and efficiently. With proper planning, auditors can better understand the company's business activities, financial condition, and potential risks that may affect the financial statement. Next, we will discuss the objectives of audit planning. The main objective of audit planning is to ensure that the audit process runs in a structured and systematic way. Through proper planning, auditor can identify areas that have higher risks of error or fraud in financial reporting. In addition, audit planning also helps auditors allocate time, researches, and audit procedures more effectively. Therefore, the planning stage plays a crucial role in helping auditor obtain sufficient and appropriate audit evidence. Now, let's talk about why auditing planning is important. Audit planning is important because it helps improve the overall quality of the audit process. By conducting proper planning, auditor can gain a better understanding of the client business environment, internal control system, and operational activities. This understanding allows auditors to determine which areas require more attention and which audit procedure should be applied. As a result, the audit process becomes more efficient and the risk of audit failure can be minimized. In the audit planning process, there are several important steps that auditors usually perform. First, the auditor needs to understand the client's business and the industry in which the company operates. Second, the auditor performs a risk assessment to identify potential risks in the financial statement. And third, the auditor evaluates the company's internal control system. Fourth, the auditor determines the overall audit strategy. Finally, the auditor prepares an audit program, which contains a detailed list of procedures that will be performed during the audit. This step helps ensure that the audit is conducted in a well-organized and systematic manner. There are several factors that can influence the audit planning process. One of the main factors is the complexity of the company's business activities. Companies with more complex operations usually require more detailed audit planning. Another factor is the effectiveness of the company's internal control system. Strong internal control may reduce the risk of error in financial reporting. In addition, the level of audit risks of the auditors, previous experience with the client can also affect how the audit is played. This factor help auditors determine the most appropriate audit approach. The main result of the audit planning step is the audit program. An audit program is a document that outlines the specific audit procedures that will be carried out to obtain sufficient audit evidence. This program serves as a guideline for auditors during the audit process, ensuring that all necessary procedures are performed. With a well-prepared audit program, the audit process becomes more structured and efficient. In conclusion, audit planning is a very important stage in the auditing process. It helps auditors design an effective audit strategy, identify potential risks, and determine the appropriate audit procedures. Through proper planning, the audit process can be conducted more efficiently and can produce reliable audit results. Therefore, good audit planning plays a crucial role in ensuring the success of the entire audit process. Thank you for your attention and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.